this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox theme color from light mode to dark mode. To get started, go to this menu bar here and then tap on it to open. From here, tap on settings and you can see settings option is here. As you can see from here, we have several settings option and tap on the general one. So under general, scroll down until you see language and appearance, and just immediately after it we have website appearance. Currently it is set to automatic. However, you have other options such as light and dark. The automatic means it will adapt the system settings on your computer in regards to your preferred theme. However, you can tailor your browser to either to be in light mode or dark mode. You're told that doing so will make some websites adapt their color scheme based on their preference. Choose which color scheme you would like to use for those sites. So I'll go ahead and tap on dark mode, and as you can see, the dark mode is applied. However, we have a problem, and you can see it is not all dark. We have the white part here, and if I open a new tab, you can see it is still in white mode. And even if I go ahead and refresh this Firefox browser, nothing happens. So to make sure that the dark mode is applied everywhere, go ahead and tap on this extension and themes. So this will help us to manage Firefox further. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see the light mode is still enabled, and we are told a theme with a light color scheme is what we are using. So you have to go ahead and disable this by tapping on disable. Now if we disable it, you can see now everywhere is dark, and if I open a new tab, now you can see we have switched to dark mode. So that's how you change your Firefox browser from light mode to dark mode. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.